Koshila yat inana nebezadya dahadiana nikipet nenigi de do kodo ashenil so dahilia. Akoko DJ ya Navajo 1 lesson 16 protectors hayolia protectors dahaliani ishin dahasya gibahanele. Akoko DJ Ditani changed Zanat lehe ha archiko shashninla. Shada archigo na stutso ninla archigo maitso do dagot ish ninla now koshchigo da sane ninla dibits arot alt hodone da hasli a dahalian a dahalia biniye dahasya. Okay, so now let's do the question. So the first question might be from down at the bottom. Da asanat leha achibo shashninla. Answer. Oh, asanat le, which is changing moment. Ha achibo shashninla. Okay. Another question might be da asanat le shada achigo nashtutso ninla. Answer. Oh, asanat le shada achigo nashtutso ninla. There's a nashtutso right there. And next one is da asanat le achigo mait soto dagot ish ninla. And the answer is o sanat le achigo mait soto ish ninla. Another question. Da asanat le now koshchigo da sana ninla. O asanat le now koshchigo da sana ninla. Da Davids adot als chodone da hasli. O Davids adot als chodone da hasli. Da dahalia beniye da hasya. O dahalia beniye da hasya. That's a great question, huh? So David's Ado from this, so all the Donne clans, the Hasli came into existence. The Halia protectors, Beniye and Dahasa to protect. That is why Dahasya placed. So the why is right here, Beniye. Okay, next one. Chaish ha'achigo shashninilla. That's the question. Chaish who? The answer is asanat le ha'achigo shashninilla. Or another question. Chaish shada achigo nashtutso ninilla. Asanat le shada achigo nashtutso ninilla. That's the answer. Another question. Chaish achigo maitso. Dagot ish ninilla. The answer asanat lehe achigo maitso dagot ish ninilla. Chesh naho koshchigo dasana ninilla. Asanat lehe naho koshchigo dasana ninilla. Okay, I think that's the end of chesh. Okay, and next question is Khati. Okay, that's way down the bottom, but we don't see it, but it's in here. Khati means what? Asanat le ha'asho Khati ninala. And the answer is Asanat le ha'asho shash ninala. Asanat le shada asho Khati ninala. Okay, let's see what happened there. Let's go back to view. Okay, let's go back to this. Oh, there you go. Asanat le shada ashko Khati ninala. Khati is what? Asanat le shada ashko nashtut so ninla. Asanat le ashko hat I ninla. Asanat le ashko mait so do tago ish ninla. Asanat le na koshko hat I ninla. Asanat le na ho koshko asana ninla. Cool. Hat I oh David's Ado hat I Dahasling. That's a question there. David's answer is David's Ado as Schodone Dahasling. And then another question is up here, Hat Ibn Hat Ibn Dahasling Dahasya. Sorry about it. Hat Ibn Dahasya. And the answer is Dahaliya Biniya Dahasya. Okay, so your answer is right there. We can say hade where. So let's go back to the first one. Asanat le hade shash ninala. And the answer will be Asanat le ha achiko. Ha achiko shash ninala. Asanat le hajiko. Nashtit sohninla. Asanat le shada achiko. Nashtit sohninla. Asanat le hajiko ma'it sohto dagot ishninla. Asanat le shada achiko. Or achiko ma'it sohto dagot ishninla. Asanat le hajiko dasana ninla. Asanat le naho koshiko dasana ninla. Next one is it doesn't have to do with hajiko or hako. Okay, so yeah, so hat ibn yedaya. So hat ibn dahasya. Answer dahasya ibn dahasya. That's the questions that we have. We can answer also like dasanat le ha achiko dasane ninila, and you can answer daga dasanat le doha achiko shashnin lada. I mean doha achiko dasane lada. Asanat le ha achiko shashnin la. So that could be a whole new set of questions. Okay. Anyway, that's how far I'll get. Thank you for listening.